Hadian bagladan kejing deko Leit kawan hagatan Lumshnong ha East Jante Hills. Namar kejing penjular kibor Kamariang ya ke Surokbah National Highway Bahan Riau. Hakakat kendai trik jeliau arhajar arpuar. Menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma badu menteri korbari kejelau ba Lakman Rumbui. Leit Jurip ya kenatan. Hagani kejing Jurip Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula beta kibor badi kemi bagi deban maromot biang ya kena ke Surok kabala julor na kejing ter ula ba lapsan. Ban kejing tua kendo ke bala bu iki nong Leit nong wan ha kejing e namar bagi kali kim yo syuk ban yat na kene Surok. Menteri rang ba uloong bawa lak ladon kejing persang ban maromot ke Surok. Ndrei kalami ipat kejing e na kejing ter uslap ha kene kathan ke bala pentut ya kejing trei ban yat chakmat ha ban maromot ke Surok. Uli itu bala syimru ikilat kilenti ban pentikna baku ke batut chakane ke Surok la peniat bat pentut no na kawai pat kejaka kenang bakat kata ya kene ke Surok rong. Uloong lada kejing selap keduna no banyo ban maromot pura on la ban penti kena bahak ni kisau pura nehnya puar kenta ki banwan ki kali kinyo ban ya no na kene kajaka kam tam e ki kali he ki baket yagi marba mardi. Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bagi bor pindak distrik ila Shimru ikilat haka baki kali red kilayo ban ya ni kijaka jungkiri shimet. Batkat ba kejing maromot ke Surokbah kadang ya cekmat bala penlong ru kejing Jurip ban peniat sipor ki kali leng baka karkhana penmi dubilat Star Cement.
Right now at Lumshnong, about 1 kilometer from Lumshnong, where the landslide has taken place, and all the officials, including our Honorable Home Minister and the other officials, are here from the administration, from PWD, as well as from National Highway Authority of India. And of course, all efforts are being made to restore the entire road and get the accessibility through, but as you can see that there's a huge challenge. The rain is not stopping, but has come down, but it's still raining quite heavily, and so therefore we are hopeful that as the rain recedes and as the efforts are made to divert the flow of the water from the areas which are affecting the road connectivity, we should be able to restore some parts of the road in the next 24 hours and see some kind of movement for light motor vehicles also through this road itself. And we are hopeful that if the rains reduce and we are able to work, then in the next 48 hours to 72 hours, we should be able to see some movement of the heavy vehicles, especially the essential commodities, moving ahead in the next 48 hours to 72 hours, again depending on the rain conditions.
Hagini kesini Konrad Kongkal Sangma ule kendo ru ikinong nya trok ke belas akut akatan na kejing syak penjulor ke Surokbah. Bad ule itu hagini kinong nya trok bagi bor pinyak distrik kena jingirap iki patba ke berang sakut hagini ke Surokbah. Ula ongru bagi sorkar kan penstet kejing maramot ke Surok kenang bagi kali ke besakut kinyo ban ya no ban Leit Jurip pat ki jaka.
But in the meantime, we have also made an alternative route from the side going through some private land, which is allowing the small and lighter vehicle movements to take place, and so that is one thing that has already happened. The team has been working overtime, and all the efforts are being made from all agencies to ensure that not just the road is cleared, but also to ensure that any kind of support or relief material to be given to the people who are stuck along the highway is also being provided by the administration. I would like to thank the administration, the departments, and also the companies and the NGOs and other organizations that have been supporting and coming together in a difficult time like this to really help the people. And I'm sure that with all the efforts put together, that we will be very shortly be able to bring back things to normalcy. So that is the condition right now, and we're hopeful that in the next 48 hours to 72 hours, we should be able to see movement of more vehicles to this road. Thank you.